Hello, today let's adjust the spray pattern of the washer nozzle on your Audi A4S for a one car. We're going to locate the nozzle for a small screw or an opening where we can insert a tool. And this tool is a Torx tool, which we insert into the nozzle itself. To lift up the washer nozzle spray pattern, we are going to rotate it clockwise. Job's done, as you can see. At the back side and the rear side of your car, we are going to use a small needle or a pin. This often works well too. We are going to gently insert the tool, and then of course we can adjust the nozzle up, down, left, or right to change the spray direction of it. If we perform this, we have a good spray pattern after we are going to use such a tool on our car. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.